Thank you. Hi everybody, I'm gonna take you on a virtual Pechakucha tour through Kortrijk. We're number 20 on the map, so if you would wonder where we are in Europe, we're right in the center. Not so far from Dundee, which is number 12. What is really cool in our region, we're only 76,000 inhabitants in the city, 300,000 in the region. Everybody knows each other, and there's a lot of collaboration and creative problem solving. We grew rich on flax and textiles, and we knew crises as well, but the companies shifted into new businesses, new markets, applying their knowledge into new stuff. And they work together really traditionally with designers, creative people, and like this company who makes really easy, like this wooden thing here on the floor. Now they integrated LED lighting in it, and it's really cool, and they have like this architects and high-end developers now as their clients. So this is a picture where we show results of companies working together with designers, which is very natural. This is a glass box situated on the central market square of Kortrijk, and we give it to companies to present themselves for 1 month to the big public, and we do that they have to do it together with a designer as well. So the presentation is not just putting there a chair or a table, but it's really done in a creative way. And all of this creativity has flourished into big companies like Barco. They have about 50% of the cinema projection market in the world, but they also make the screens for this cool U2 tour. Probably you will recognize this, but they delivered the screens. So Barco is a really big company. They have about 3,500 employees in 90 countries, but we also have a lot of SMEs in the region, and one of that is Verila. They make high-end linen, so still textiles. Like this color here is woven into the fabric. This is really cool. And as I said, we grew rich on flax, and flax is still in the region, but it's in a niche market. The guy here is from Vervaken linen and of Vervaken fiber, and they actually sell their fiber flax to the US government since the late 50s to use it in the $1 bills. So if you would wonder why the bills are so soft, now you know why. This is the school, our design school in Kortrijk. It's called HOS. It's a really cool place. That's where we where we educate all these designers to work in the companies in our area. So we don't have a lot of freelance designers, but most of the designers are employed in the companies. And you will love this, Dundee, but we have the best gaming education in Kortrijk. It was said by rookies, and if rookies said it, I will agree with that, like Marco did with the architect. Digital Arts and Entertainment is the official name of the school. All of this creativity is also shown in the public space. We have a river running through the city, also an island. And now, so the river was very important for textiles. Now we have big ships going through that. But the river banks were redeveloped and given back to the public of the city. Like this picture here is right in the city center. It opened this spring, and it's so popular now. So when you guys of Dundee were talking about the redevelopment of the waterfront, I understand. So this is a really cool place. It's going really fast. I say, let's have a coffee in a really cool coffee house in Kortrijk. It looks really traditional, but actually it isn't. This coffee house blends its own coffee, but they also work together with designers to create innovative tableware to experience the coffee in a better way. Okay, back on tour, and we're again close to the river in a new Kortrijk district. This is called Kortrijk Wede, and it's a district where we have an incubator for technology companies. There's an urban sports park where you can skate. There's a new party hall, and it was opened a few weeks ago by a really cool band called Goose. Maybe you know them. We have other cool bands like Balthazar. You should look them up on Spotify. So we have a lot of music scenery as well, so it's not only designers in Kortrijk. We also have some music halls and stuff like that. And the cool thing is, as I said, everybody knows each other, but everybody participates. This is our Fab Lab, where children, big companies, entrepreneurs from small companies, designers, students, elderly people come together to work on electronics, 3D printers, laser cutters, make stuff, exchange knowledge. It's a really cool place. And to keep us challenged, we invite every year 3 young designers from abroad to work together with our companies, organizations, schools, etc., to challenge us, to evaluate us on how we're dealing with stuff. These guys are from Japan, China, and Berlin. And the big boost behind all of this movement is our organization, Designerij Kortrijk, which I'm working for. And this is also a collaboration of businesses, public institutions, and education. And this makes a big dynamic. This makes sure that we really can create impact. We got designated last year. All this creativity is bundled every 2 years in our Biennale Interieur. It's a big fair on interior design. It starts this Thursday. You should come to Kortrijk this weekend. It's really cool. It's small, but it's doable. And so there's a commercial part and an artistic, more exhibition part, and that is now in the city center, and this year will be held in an abandoned hospital, which you see here on the picture. So, what a pace. I suggest we end with a beer. It's brewed in the Kortrijk Hills. It really tastes nice. You should come and taste it. You're all welcome. I would love it that you come over, so thank you very much.